Welcome to As Wealth Builders, where we don't just dream about success, we build it. If you've been struggling to find the right business idea, one that actually makes money, you're in the right place. Here's the truth. Most people fail in business before they even start, because they choose the wrong idea. They get caught up in trying to be the next Facebook or invent some crazy new product. Listen, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to find a wheel that's already spinning and figure out how to make it spin better. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Alright, let's cut to the chase. You want a business that makes money, right? Of course you do. But how do you ensure that your business idea will be profitable? So the first thing you need to do is stop searching for some groundbreaking, never-before-seen idea. Instead, look around. Opportunities are often hiding in plain sight. What are people already spending money on? What are the current trends and demands? I'm talking about products, services, niches, anything that's already proven to have demand. Think about it. If people are already buying it, there's a market for it. Why do you think Amazon is killing it? They've mastered the art of identifying and capitalizing on existing demand. They're not inventing products. They're providing a platform for products that are already in high demand. They understand the market and cater to it. So how do you find these golden opportunities? Easy. Start paying attention. Observe the world around you. What are people complaining about? What issues do they face regularly? What are their pain points? Identifying these can lead you to a profitable business idea. What makes their lives difficult? These difficulties are opportunities in disguise. Go on social media, read the comments, see what people are frustrated with. Social media is a treasure trove of consumer insights. Look at Amazon bestsellers, check out trending searches on Google, see what people are talking about on forums and online communities. These are gold mines. They show you what people are interested in right now. You're literally looking at a live feed of what people want, what they need, what they're willing to pay for. Don't overcomplicate this. The data is right in front of you. Finding a profitable market is about understanding what problems already exist and realizing that every problem is a business opportunity waiting to be seized. It's about being observant and proactive. Let me give you an example. Real-world scenarios can make this clearer. Let's say you see people complaining about how hard it is to find reliable, trustworthy plumbers in their area. Boom! There's your market. You can step in and provide a solution to this common problem. Okay, so you've found a market that's bursting with potential. Now what? How do you stand out in a sea of competitors? This is where you come in. This is your moment to shine. This is where you differentiate yourself. This is where you carve out your niche. This is where you find your unique edge, your unique selling proposition. Now, I'm not saying you need to reinvent the wheel, but you do need to make it better. You need to figure out how to make that wheel roll a little smoother, a little faster, or maybe even in a different direction. Innovation is key. Ask yourself, how can I improve what's already out there? What can I do differently? Can I offer something faster, cheaper, or more convenient? Can I streamline the process? Can I provide a better customer experience? Can I make my customers feel valued and appreciated? Can I niche down and cater to a specific subgroup within that market? Can I become the go-to expert in a specialized area? Let's go back to our plumbing example. Yeah, there are already plumbing services out there. But what if you created a service that specialized in eco-friendly plumbing solutions? What if you focused on sustainability? Or what if you offered 24/7 emergency services with guaranteed response times? Imagine the peace of mind for your customers. Or what if you built an app that made booking and managing plumbing appointments ridiculously easy? Think about Uber. They revolutionized an existing service. Did they invent the taxi? No. But they transformed the experience. They just made the experience of getting a ride infinitely better. They found their unique edge. The key here is to innovate, not imitate. To find your unique edge and run with it. The world is waiting for your unique contribution. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and make your mark. Alright, you've got a killer business idea. You're fired up, you're ready to quit your job, you're ready to go all in. The excitement is palpable and you can already envision the success. Pump the brakes. Before you invest your time, your energy, and especially your money, you need to validate your idea. This is crucial. It's the difference between a dream and a potential reality. You need to make sure that there's actual demand for your product or service before you go all in. Market research is your best friend here. Don't be that person who sinks their life savings into a business that nobody wants. It's a heartbreaking scenario that happens all too often. So, how do you validate your idea? It's actually pretty simple. It starts with a bit of groundwork and some strategic thinking. Start by talking to people, engage in conversations, ask questions, and listen intently. Talk to your target audience, get their feedback, see if they're actually interested in what you're offering. Their insights are invaluable. Create a simple landing page, put it out there on social media, and see if people sign up. This can give you a clear indication of interest. You can even run a small, low-cost ad campaign to test the waters. It's a great way to gauge initial interest without breaking the bank. The goal here is to gather data, to see if there's real interest in your idea. Listen, I get it. This data will guide your next steps. You're excited about your idea. You're passionate about it. That passion is your fuel, but passion doesn't pay the bills. You need a solid plan backed by evidence. You need to be smart, strategic, and data-driven. Every decision should be informed by the data you collect. Validation is not about avoiding failure, it's about minimizing risk. It's about making informed choices to increase your chances of success. There you have it, the blueprint to unlocking your profitable business idea. Remember, finding the right business idea is just the first step. The real work starts with execution. It's about taking action, putting in the work, and hustling your face off. Let's build wealth together. I'll see you in the next